How to check PlayStation Network status. There are a few ways to check the PlayStation Network status. Check the PlayStation Network website. The PlayStation Network website has a page that displays the current status of all PlayStation Network services. You can find this page by going to https://status.playstation.com. Use the PlayStation Network app. The PlayStation Network app has a section that displays the current status of all PlayStation Network services. You can find this section by opening the app and going to the Network tab. Tweet at @PlayStation. You can also tweet at @PlayStation to inquire about the current status of PlayStation Network services. They usually respond within a few minutes. If you are still having problems, connecting to PlayStation Network, you can try the following. Restart your PlayStation console. Sometimes a simple restart can fix problems with connecting to PlayStation Network. Check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet connection is working properly and that you are connected to the correct network. Change your DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can fix problems with connecting to PlayStation Network. You can find instructions on how to change your DNS settings on the PlayStation Network website. Contact PlayStation. Support. If you have tried all of the above and you are still having problems connecting to PlayStation Network, you can contact PlayStation Support for help. You can find their contact information on the PlayStation Network website.